discuss today we will discuss just about the introduction regarding the coordinate geometry, and it is a chapter in class 9th math also, and you will read in some detail in the class 10th also. So we will just read an introduction to coordinate geometry. Actually, first before going to the introduction, first we will know some basic things. Plane. What is a plane? प्लेन किसको बोलते हैं? जैसे फ्लोर ऑफ योर क्लासरूम, इट इज अ प्लेन. सरफेस ऑफ द टेबल एंड बेंच, इट इज अ प्लेन. जैसे ग्राउंड है, इट इज ऑल्सो ए प्लेन. इट इज ऑल्सो ए प्लेन. सो एक्चुअली इन कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री we can locate, we can mark, we can draw the position of a point, or we can locate a straight line or any figure. So first we will discuss how to locate a point in the coordinate plane. In order to locate the points, first we divide the plane into 4 quadrants. 4 quadrants, no discussion. The surface of the blackboard, a surface of this board is also a plane. Surface of this board is also a plane. Now I am dividing the plane into 4 quadrants by 2 straight lines intersecting each other at the right angle. Intersecting at a right angle. So this is suppose the point of intersection is the, suppose name we give O. Then suppose this line is X and this is your X base and this is your Y, O Y dash. This is your X axis and this is your Y axis. O is the origin. O is the origin. From the origin, whatever the distance we will measure from the origin to the right, it is taken positive, and whatever the distance we will measure to the left of the origin, it will be considered negative. And in y-axis, whatever the distance we will measure upwards, that will be taken positive. And downward we will take a negative. We will take a negative. What? We will take a negative. Suppose actually these axis, actually a plane is assumed to extend up to infinity. मतलब प्लेन को हमने जनरली समझते कि वो अनंत दूर तक फैला हुआ है, और we can also imagine these both x-axis and y-axis extend up to infinity. Now suppose here is a point, and suppose the name of the point is P. Suppose I can describe this point. I can describe the position of this point by 2 coordinates, x coordinate and y coordinate. Suppose this point is at a distance of 3 units. Units मतलब it may be 3 cm or it may be 3 meter, it may be 3 kilometer. As the unit we will decide. Now you draw a perpendicular. Suppose this is the 3 unit, and you now draw another perpendicular to x-axis. Another point to x-axis. Suppose this is your 10 units. 10 units. So in order to describe the position of the point, here your x coordinate will be 3, and y coordinate will be 10. And this x कोऑर्डिनेट 10, y कोऑर्डिनेट 10 है, x कोऑर्डिनेट का दूसरा नाम है एब्सिसा। x कोऑर्डिनेट को हमने एब्सिसा बोलते हैं, एब्सिसा, एंड y कोऑर्डिनेट को हमने ऑर्डिनेट बोलते हैं, नाउ माइंड इट, x coordinate represents the distance of the point from y axis। अभी ये तो 3 यूनिट, ये डिस्टेंस कहाँ से, y axis से। अभी x coordinate represents distance from x axis। x coordinate represents distance from y axis, and y coordinate represents distance from x axis। अभी क्या है, जैसे x coordinate represents distance from y axis, जैसे x coordinate यहाँ पर 3 है, तो यहाँ पर ये y axis से कितना दूरी पर है, 3 यूनिट, और जैसे y coordinate 10 है, ये अभी क्या है, x axis से 10 यूनिट से दूरी पर है, so its coordinate is 3/10। This is your first quadrant, and this is your second quadrant, and this is your third quadrant, and this is your fourth quadrant। You will see, mind it, here both x and y are positive, here both x coordinate x in the first coordinate, both x coordinate and y coordinate will be positive, and in the second coordinate your x coordinate will be negative, and y coordinate will be positive, and in the third quadrant both the coordinates will be negative, x coordinate will be negative and y coordinate will be negative, and in the fourth quadrant your x coordinate will be positive and y coordinate is negative। It is very simple to remember। You see यहाँ पर प्लस है, इसका जस्ट ऑपोजिट में माइनस है, और ये सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट माइनस के साथ शुरू होगा, तो सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट माइनस के साथ शुरू हुआ तो दूसरा प्लस होगा। यू कैन रिमेंबर वेरी इजीली। नाउ सपोज दिस इज ए पॉइंट, Q। नाउ इसका कोऑर्डिनेट, सपोज वी आर इंटरेस्टेड टू फाइंड इट्स कोऑर्डिनेट्स, Now you have to draw two perpendicular like this, as I am drawing। Suppose this is the 5 units and this is the suppose the 7 units, so its coordinate, point Q का coordinate कितना होगा, -5 and 7, Suppose this is the point R, Similarly we can mention the coordinates in units। Here the coordinate suppose 4 -4 -5, suppose like this, and here the coordinate suppose ये P Q R, suppose this is the point S, so its coordinate will be, suppose it is 3, it will be minus, actually it will be -3। So in this way you can decide the coordinates of a point, So are you clear? So today is only this one, Okay।